Need a light under your canopy? How about 4? This kit comes with 4 LED bars that are 15 3/4 inches in length, waterproof, and are magnetic for easy setup and takedown. There's a carrying case with 4 pouches that holds many different kinds of power adapters and all sorts of connectors and splitters for many different situations. All extension cables screw together to prevent them from pulling loose. Put them up at your cookout or camping event, or if you're involved in pro sound, you can use them to light up your front of house. The wireless RF remote makes it easy to set the brightness for any situation. Get yours right here at Parts Express.